Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Seth with Glowe Voltage here. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss another new product that we've had made. When we are trying to figure out what we're going to bring next, being that I genuinely geek out on this stuff, car audio, making the batteries, I mean, it's something that I enjoy doing. So I try to think, what would make my life easier, even if it was just a small convenience. And that's what this is. So this is our new branded heat shrink. And what makes this different than what you are likely used to seeing is that it's almost universally sized. And by that, I mean the same size heat shrink is going to fit on 4 gauge, 1.0, 2.0, even clear up to 4.0. So I'm not the most organized person, I'll admit. So just having one size heat shrink that I can use on that variety of wire has already made my life quite a bit easier. So without any more waiting, let's go ahead and I will demonstrate it and show you what it looks like on all 4 of these wires using the heat shrink in front of you. Okay, so we'll start with the 4 gauge.
Now the 1.0 gauge. Now the 2.0 gauge.
And the 4.0 gauge. Now I have a heat gun right here. And you can see the adhesive starting to come in front and now on the back side. So that is 4 gauge. 1 gauge. Or sorry, 1.0. Don't really heat it up until I see just a little bit of the glue starting to ooze out from underneath the heat shrink, so I know it is secured in place as well with the adhesive. That is 1.0 gauge. That's 2.0 and 4.0. Okay, so there you have it, like a quick demonstration of the Glowe voltage heat shrink. Is this necessary? No, not at all. You can absolutely still keep using the heat shrink that you use for 4 gauge and 1.0 and 2.0 and 4.0. But if you're like me, I mean, it's just a quality of life convenience that I can just grab a piece of heat shrink and know that it's going to be what I need. And we also, it is printed in gold. So, I mean, it definitely looks, in my opinion, it looks pretty slick. So, multiple colors available. We have red, blue, white, and black. So, whatever you are looking for. And again, this is just a small quality of life upgrade, in my opinion. So, take it or leave it. But if you have any questions, let me know.